The new 2016 Ford Police Interceptor. More power, more efficiency. The Police Interceptor sedan and utility both feature an available 365 horsepower EcoBoost V6, giving officers V8 performance along with the efficiency of a V6 engine. Standard is the sedan Police Interceptor featuring 305 horses and the first ever pursuit-rated Ford Police Interceptor utility featuring 304 horses, using the same 3.7 LTVC V6 flex fuel engine. Both are efficient and powerful choices. The 3.7L V6 is standard on the sedan, 305 horsepower, and utility, 304 horsepower. Models. Both naturally aspirated engines deliver 279 pounds-ft of torque and feature TVCT, twin independent variable camshaft timing. They also offer the flexibility of operating on E85 fuel. Exclusive Ford EcoBoost technology, now available on both sedan and utility, gives you the acceleration and closing speed pursuing driving demands, and yet still delivers impressive efficiency. The available 3.5L EcoBoost kicks out an exhilarating 365 horsepower. Two turbochargers effectively eliminate turbo lag or hesitation. The new 2016 Police Interceptor registered trademark utility offers a wide array of lighting packages to better serve your needs. New lighting packages include front warning auxiliary lights, forward indicator pocket indicator light, tail lamps, tail lamp housing prep package, and incandescent halogen high beam headlamps that now are capable of wig-wagging. Integrated grille lights are new to the ready for the road package. Purpose-built from the ground up, the Police Interceptor is the product of more than 60 years of working in close association with our nation's law enforcement professionals. The utility model exhibiting command presence on the street. The next generation Police Interceptor has a full range of LED lighting solutions. The cockpit is specifically designed around everything you do all day, and built to keep you comfortable and ready. The seat bottom has been shaped to ease getting in and out. The seat back has been shaped to make room for your utility belt, and the four-way adjustable headrest helps improve driver comfort.